Yeah, exactly. That's what he said.
Yeah.
And we start working with the Golden Valley.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
So here we are at the city. I got the microphone on, so you can say whatever you want. But so we're at the city, 70 feet from this clean out here in the garage.
70 or
70 feet.
is it 70?
Yeah. So there's one spot of roots that'll have to get knocked out before we line it. Otherwise, we'd be able to shoot right through this clean out here. Little belly right there, a little low spot. You'll be able to line right over it though. Here's this spot of roots. Hopefully I don't lose my skid. There. Oh, that wasn't even the one. Okay. Here it is. Yeah.
That's blocking.
Yeah. So we clean that out.
Right, before. So the lining protects for how long?
It's rated for 50 years, but probably longer. It's rated like PVC. So yeah, there's a bunch of roots right there too. We can get all that cleaned out. So here's I think probably 4-inch cast. Where's that? Okay. So this is the 4x6 right here. So that's 6-inch clay right there. And I think right where all these roots are is where it goes back down to 4-inch right there. So I think that's where that transition is. So here's a repair someone did.
Yes, they did the repair. The city.
Yeah.
They broke the main.
Yeah.
When they were putting cable or something.
Oh, okay.
They broke the main and then they repaired it because they blocked it, you know. And
yeah, backed up.
The whole sewer backed up.
Yeah.
Yeah, they messed up.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So I think that's 4-inch.
So instead of
they
6,
put 4-inch here. Yep.
Instead of 6.
Yep.
Assholes.
So. It doesn't really matter, the 4-inch to the 6-inch, as long as it doesn't go smaller. You know what I mean?
Right,
so it's 4-inch here, and then it goes to 4-inch, which isn't bad, and then it goes to 6-inch. If it was to go 6-inch, 4-inch, then 6-inch, that's bad. You know, because it would get smaller. But having 4 to 6 isn't bad. So.
Yeah, that's what they did. I couldn't control that part.
Yeah.
At least I figure out that they did the damage, you know?
Right. Well, here's another repair. So this is some other repair too.
So the actual lining will be good, you know, because...
Yeah, it'll make it one single pipe.
One single pipe.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it looks like it's... I'll have to check the numbers, but it looks
Check
like
the numbers because I think when the city was doing this, the camera, he was measuring from there.
Sure.
So
I meant,
that's-
I know it's 70 feet.
But he did not like 90, I think he put.
Oh, okay,
Maybe,
yeah.
you know,
So it's 70 feet from here.
from here. But
Yeah.
that's what you need. You don't need
Yeah.
to do, you know.
Well, and then we need to know how much 4-inch and how much 6.
Right, exactly. But you don't need that part under the girl. Yeah,
No.
exactly.
Yeah.
There's nothing.
Yeah. I mean, that would be a different fix anyway. Usually, we would, we could probably line from the stack over here.
Mm-hmm.
Nah, we probably wouldn't. From there to here.
Yeah, maybe if it's come to that, you can check what's going on. But I doubt it. That's any problems there.
Here's a little bit of a belly in here. This water's gonna give me a hard time, isn't it? We'd be able to line right through that too. It's not too bad. Just a little flat through there. And that's a repair through here. Or it's probably... So that's PVC. Yep.
Oh, it's a PVC?
Yep.
But that's a repair PVC, right?
At some point, yeah.
Because, yeah, at that time...
I'm guessing it probably switches back to cast iron right there.
This is a PVC.
Yeah. So it's about 50 feet of 4-inch, and then 20 feet of 6-inch clay.
Okay.
So 70 feet altogether. And I got some roots here.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
I'll do it.
And then, so here's clean out. Oops. It's 3.5-inch cap.